Is it time to buy or sell Disney stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Disney. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, April 19, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 13, 2023, our system has ranked Disney as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.70. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has had natural fluctuations, but currently sits at a loss of -2.07% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. This translates to an average loss of -0.41% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock lies the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $101.55 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential -11.87% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -22.56% and -9.37%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a -8.54% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -25.13% and 8.87%. This translates to a price range of $73.93 to $107.50 after a year. Our latest daily update for Disney includes the headline, "Evaluation of Disney stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Disney stock price fell by -2.16% on the last day, Wednesday, April 19, 2023, from $100.93 to $98.75. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.5% from a day low at $98.36 to a day high of $99.83. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still down by -0.82% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 3 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 12 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.14 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $127.35, and the lowest price was $84.07. Currently, the price is 22.46%, or $28.60, below the 52-week high, and 51.36%, or $104.27, below the all-time high on March 8, 2021, when the price reached $203.02. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Wednesday, January 4, 2023, Macquarie set a price target of 110. On Wednesday, January 4, 2023, Macquarie set a price target of 110. On Wednesday, January 4, 2023, Macquarie set a price target of 110. On Monday, December 12, 2022, Morgan Stanley set a price target of 115. On Monday, December 12, 2022, Morgan Stanley set a price target of 115. Analysts have given Disney stock a general strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Disney. The Disney stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $99.87. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $97.55. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, April 18, 2023, and so far it has fallen -2.16%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 27 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Disney. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $93.57 and $93.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Disney finds support just below today's level at $93.57. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $93.20 and $92.60. This stock is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $1.47, 1.5%, between high and low. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 1.81%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Disney, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could mean that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for Q1 2023 is expected on May 10, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 89 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Disney. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Disney is at $107.66. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Disney encounters its first support level at $93.57. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Disney from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Coleman Sonia L., who bought and sold 12,137 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -8.028. Overall, insiders purchased 207,306 shares and sold 241,006 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $95.10, minus 3.70%. This stock has low daily movements and this gives low risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is Disney stock a good buy? Disney holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, April 20th, we expect Disney to open up $0.228 and start trading at $98.98. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.